Hello and welcome to History Through Question.
Today's topic is Parganas. Parganas are the former administrative units of Indian subcontinent. And these Parganas used primarily but not exclusively by the Muslim empire or the Muslims kingdoms. Now this Pargana, this term, it was widely used by the mid of the 14th century, and at that times it was the basic collection of villages. There are the number of villages, and to combine them and consider as an administrative unit, that came to be known as the Parganas. Now this Pargana is an Indian name. In Sanskrit, this term Pargana is known as the Pratiganka. Now let's see Pargana in the Muslim empire or the Muslim kingdoms. Now the term or the word Pargana in Muslims, it was introduced by the Delhi Sultanate, and they consider this term or this word Persian in their origin. Persian in their origin. And this Pargana under Muslim kingdoms is considered as a revenue unit. ये एक revenue unit है that consists of several maujas. Maujas क्या होंगे? These are the smallest revenue units जो consist करेगा one or more villages. So परगना एक रेवेन्यू यूनिट है. परगनास में काफ़ी नंबर ऑफ विलेजेस आएंगे. रेवेन्यू यूनिट है. फर्दर दिस रेवेन्यू यूनिट और दिस परगना वॉज डिवाइडेड इनटू सेवरल मोजास, जिसमें जो कि स्मॉलेस्ट रेवेन्यू यूनिट है, जिसमें वन और द मोर विलेजेस होंगे. ओके, नाउ यूजली जो चौधरी होते थे, दोज आर कंसिडर्ड एज द हेरिडिटरी जमींदार्स. They are held answerable for the collections of the revenue in each of these parganas. Okay, each of these parganas. Now let's see one example, that is the parganas under Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah. Now under Sher Shah, the provinces were divided into sarkars. Sarkars in simple terms are known as the districts, and these sarkars are further divided into small units. These are known as the parganas, and they are in simple terms are tehsils and villages. Okay. ना ये जो सरकार है, दिस लुक एवरी इक्ता और जो भी सूबा होगा, इट वॉज डिवाइडेड इनटू सेवरल सरकार्स और द डिस्ट्रिक्ट. और इस सरकार में देयर आर द टू चीफ ऑफिसर्स इन एवरी सरकार. जो वन होगा, जो फर्स्ट वन है, दैट इज द सिखदार सिखदरन और द चीफ सिखदार, और ही वॉज एन मिलिट्री ऑफिसर. उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होगी? यूज टू मेंटेन पीस इन दिस सरकार, सुपरवाइज द वर्क ऑफ हिज सबऑर्डिनेट सिकदार्स एंड हेल्प इन द कलेक्शन ऑफ रेवेन्यू अलॉन्ग विद द अदर टैक्सेस. नाउ लेट्स सी परगनास. नाउ ये जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ परगनास है, इट वॉज मीन्स इसको स्मूथ फंक्शनिंग के लिए देर आर द सेवरल ऑफिसर्स विच आर एम्प्लॉयड बाई द शेर शाह सूर्स इन द परगना in order to do the administration work quite smoothly. First is the Sikhdar. Sikdar, these are the military officers. Second is the Amil. These are the finance officer. Another is the Fotedar. They are the treasurer. Other is the Kanungo. They are the head of the villages. Other is the Patwaris. They were the important officers in the Pargana in order to carry out the administration smoothly. Now, in order to make the checks and balances or to limit the power of these Sarkars and the Parganas officials, so Sher Shah introduced a system of transferring the officials of both the Sarkars and the Parganas in every 2 or 3 years. So this is all about the Parganas. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this. Have a good day.